Welcome back to another episode of Smart Money with Mr. Dungles, your host. Today we're going to talk about why the market dipped and what to do next. What are some of the coins we are buying, selling, possibly holding? What are things that you can do to try to prevent these dips from affecting you from losing money? As always, this is not financial advice and we do this for entertainment purposes only. Let's start off with Bitcoin. Let's remind everybody we just hit a new all-time high, $69,000, and we were begging just 3 weeks ago to have a $60,000 Bitcoin again. After we reached all-time highs, it's normal. We have a correction. We've dropped around 9,000. If you were to calculate the wick, which is this part right here, and I'm on tradingview.com for you to see the charts, you'd be able to see that we dropped all the way to 58,700 and change, which is healthy. As long as we trade between 57,000, and whatever higher, we are going to be fine. We can expect a couple of wicks down. That's normal. That's fine. But I don't anticipate anything more major in a downwards trajectory than that. It is also very important that you understand what you are dealing with. You are dealing with buyers and sellers who have no control over their emotions. We just hit 69,000 and everybody's excited. Everybody's like, wow, this is great. Then we dip down. People start selling. You see how much people panic sold. But you also see the institutions are the ones buying everything up, or the smart money is holding. This is why it is important to hold. Bitcoin should be 25% of your portfolio. We're going to look at one of the coins that did one of the quickest rebounds since the crash, but has maintained a pretty solid price. You guys remember that we saw $5 mana upon rumors that it was going to be with Meta. We also believe that this coin within 2 years will probably be a $20 to $30 coin. But not the future, but right now, we're looking at a $3.20 coin. However, over the last few hours, again, tradingview.com, we are looking at GRT. We can see that we hit $2.76 as a low, and then just about 2 hours later, we settled in at 292. From 292, we went all the way to 325, 326 area. This is the coin that has performed the best thus far. Not meme coins, real coins with real case usage since this latest crash. This is a coin that you want to keep an eye on because it's so strong. LRC being another coin as well that has been performing pretty well. We can put it up on KuCoin. It went as well, but it went lower. It went to 225 and then it went to 276 and currently traded sideways all the way to 265. A coin that is going to have a lot of potential that we spoke about over the last few weeks is XYO. In the previous video, make sure to watch that one. XYO is a very, very big project, and it's also maintained its price. I want to show you a pattern here on the 1 hour chart. A lot of people don't pay attention to patterns, and that's what causes a lot of losses. This is known as a left shoulder. This is known as a inversed head, and this is known as a right shoulder, and this part right here is known as a confirmation. We can drop probably as low as that 5-4 and be safe, and then bounce back up. We would first need to obviously pass 6.2, 6.5, go to 7 cents, and so on and so forth. It's not just going to be a straight jump up. That's not going to happen. Has it happened before? Absolutely. But will it happen now? No. So this is a coin, again, XYO, available on Coinbase and KuCoin, a coin that I am looking to continue to build on in the portfolio, add more to the holding bag, as well as adding more to the trading bag, because it's a coin, since it's so cheaply priced, it gives you that perfect balance of ratio where you can make good money, but you can also afford to go down a little bit without taking such a large hit. The coin that so many people have been asking about, and a coin that we obviously, now that it's happened, we saw the in reverse of the inverse head and shoulders, which is a head and shoulders pattern. This is a head and shoulders, this is a left shoulder, this is a head, and this is a right shoulder, and then we have the breakdown to the bottom. GRT is at 94 cents right now. It went all the way down to just say 80 cents, because probably no one caught it lower than that. And from there, it has continued to try to make its way up. GRT is very promising, and it reminds me of so many other projects that have had so much trouble. What is one of the things that is holding GRT down right now and the market? Well, let's start with GRT. One of the things that's holding GRT down right now is the volume. There's not a lot of volume, there's not a lot of news surrounding it, but it's still working behind the scenes. So under $1, this is an amazing coin to have and continue to hold for the end of the year. If we were to look at Ethereum, which is the second most important coin and also known as the leader of the altcoins, you have Ethereum right here with the same pattern now in hindsight that we can see, because this wasn't fully formed. We went from 37 to roughly 31, and now we're at like 32, 33 area. This is very, very bullish. What does bullish mean? This is very positive. This is very good for the space. After you have continuing pumpage, continuing gains, you need to be able to have corrections. Healthy corrections are necessary. However, the majority of the crypto world is so spoiled by the gains and having instant gains that you're just like, oh man, we were just at 69 and I bought at 69 and I could have, bought at 62 with this drop. Should've, could've, would've isn't going to do anything for you. This is a very, very psychological game, if you want to call it that. This is a very psychological industry, whatever name you want to use. Ethereum is going to be priced well over 7,000 in the coming weeks. You have Bitcoin, which is going to go to new all-time highs even after we just hit 6,900. XYO is going to 10 cents. You have LRC in that range. It's already pumped a lot, so we'll probably leave it around that $3 range. And you have GRT at 94 cents, which we see going to $2. As always, you want to see the news. And all you have to do is type Bitcoin or crypto, and you'll see a lot of news on stuff. And this is something called FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. People say Bitcoin price drops because a strong dollar weighs in. Well, I'm here to tell you that we do not have a strong dollar, and that is completely false. If we had a strong dollar, then why is there so much inflation? Why are their goods so expensive? So on and so forth, and I won't get into those details so YouTube doesn't ban this video. As always, I'd love for you to hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below what coin you are looking to buy during this dip. Again, this is a dip, this is a correction. Even, I've stated before, if we go to $45,000, we will still be healthy. The moment we cross below $34,000 is the moment I say we need to be a little bit more cautious and see, and that would be a 50% drop from where we're at. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care. Until next time.